Rolling. It's John's reaction to One Guy, One Cup.
You got small ding ding. What? What? That nigga been in jail, homie. Ooh! 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 Really? Really now? What? Really, homie? For real.
Jessica's watching it again. She's a trooper.
For real? For real now.
Don't work, Lola.
For real. For real. For real. For real. For real, homie. What are you doing?
John's smiling like he wants to try it.
I know.
This kid. Dude, you gotta go.
How do you know you got all the glasses?
You gotta
go to the doctor, man.
You gotta go. Oh, you gotta go, man.
That's his way of not getting raped. Like, I got shards.
You gotta go. You gotta go, man. For real. For real, man. Come on, man. Dude, you gotta go.
Still like sleeping out.
Dude, you have to go. You don't leave it there? He stood up.
Yeah.
For real.
For real.